the spring of 2024, astronomers detect a strange interstellar object entering the solar system designated 3IATLAS, the third confirmed visitor from beyond. Unlike its predecessors, Oumuamua and Borisov, ATLAS behaves erratically. Its trajectory shifts subtly, its surface emits structured radio pulses, and its shape defies natural formation. As global space agencies scramble to study it, a covert team of scientists and linguists is assembled to decode the signals. What they uncover is staggering. The pulses from a repeating pattern resembling a star map not of our galaxy, but of 1 billions of light years away. ATLAS, it seems, is not a rock, but a probe, and it's watching. When a private aerospace company launches a drone to intercept ATLAS, the object reacts, accelerating, changing course, and releasing a burst of energy that disables satellites across 3 continents. Panic spreads. Is it a warning, a defense mechanism, or something more? Meanwhile, a young astrophysicist named Dr. Lena Rayo discovers that ATLAS's path mirrors ancient Sumerian star charts. Her theory: Earth has been visited before, and ATLAS is a return envoy. As governments debate whether to destroy or communicate, Lena and her team race to send a message, one rooted in mathematics, music, and memory. In a final act, ATLAS slows near Jupiter, releasing a smaller orb that drifts towards Earth. It lands silently in the Mojave Desert. Inside, a crystalline archive of alien knowledge and a message in dozens of languages. You are not alone. You were never alone.